The overhead tricep extension is a pull exercise, and the primary mover is the triceps, the backs of the arm. It can be done in either a standing or a seated position using either a dumbbell or a band. For the setup, we're going to sit up nice and tall, chest up, shoulders back. I'm going to take this weight, I'm going to raise it right up over my head. Nice straight arm. Once the arm is in this position, this elbow right here is never going to move. Shoulder's going to be stable, chest is upright, shoulders back. This arm right here is just hanging out. So from here, I'm just going to lower that weight back behind my head, like I'm trying to scratch the middle of my back. Keeping that elbow pointed straight up, keeping that shoulder relaxed. And then I'm going to exhale as I press up. Again, down. And then exhale as I pull up. Then inhale, keeping that elbow up. You notice it's not moving from that position right there. So from here, we don't want that elbow coming down, either forward or to the side. We want it really high up. Bring that bicep to the ear. Like I said, trying to scratch the middle of your back. And then pull it up. In this position, we're getting the max stretch in the tricep, getting that full range of motion. Getting the max stretch in the long length. And the squeeze at the top, at the short length. Big inhale. And exhale. Always keeping that nice, tall posture. Still body. And this goes for the standing position as well. And then you're going to switch sides.